What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful AMG A35 that we have right in front of us. Now, as you can see, color of the car is mountain grey. Initially, back in the day, they used to have a hatchback for a car like this, the hatchback A45S, and also the hatchback denim blue A35. Now, in this case right here, this is the sedan version, which is also amazing indeed. Now, let's start off with how the car looks from the front. Firstly, the lights. Now, these lights are amazing indeed. I love how the DRLs, they come on right here together with the bottom piece right here, also lights up. Now, we will turn them on to show it to you guys in a while more, but they are using multi-beam LED. Got your Mercedes-Benz wording right there at the side of the lights. I love the blue finishing that's happening inside part of the lights. Amazing indeed. The bottom bumper, mountain grey exterior, right? So you do get some black finishes happening all over the side of the car, including a little bit right here, but you do get some matte finish on this side. I love the airflow that's happening at the side of the bumper. Amazing. The centerpiece right here, amazing grayed out mountain grey finish. Tow hook goes right there. You do get some satin finish of a chrome lining at the bottom part right here of the front bumper. So now it does look very aggressive, the side, the center, and also the side again. Now let's start off with the grille. You do get this amazing Mercedes-Benz badging in this glass-like finish because there's a sensor located right at the back. You do get your 360 camera for the front right here. Love the vertical lines in this chrome finish for the front grille. Love the AMG wording right here as well. I like how air can flow through here and also at the bottom that we have right here. So amazing. You got the AMG Alpha Tabak logo, not like the other cars with Mercedes-Benz badge, which is very nice indeed, very unique. Now for the front hood, I love the linings that you get all across the left, the center right here, together with the right side that we have right here. So amazing indeed. Very, very stunning finish. Now for the sides, let's take a look at the wheels. These wheels are amazing looking. You do get this gloss black finishing on the inside, some silver lining on the outside. I love the Mercedes-Benz caps that we have right here, printed on. I mean, not printed on, but basically you can feel it. Very cool. The thing that I love the most, red color calipers with the AMG wording for the brakes. The drill disc brakes are located right there. Very, very nice indeed, man. Now, Pirelli tires, they're using P0, but what's the tire size? 235, 35, 19. Very, very nice. Now, side right here, they get the turbo 4MATIC because it's an all-wheel drive. You do get your side mirrors in mountain grey following the body color. Some matte finishing for the exterior lining at the bottom right here as well. Love the chrome lining that goes across the whole side of the car. Comes back down right here. 360 camera located right down here. Amazing side finishing that we have right there for the bottom side skirting. Love the chrome lining as well over here. Mountain grey finish at the bottom. Let's open up the doors and take a look at the passenger door first thing. Love the finishing, the Artico finishing of this interior. Love it. Window adjustments up and down. You got your handle to open up and close the door. Pull to close the door. Seat adjustments right here. You got 3 memory seats. Love the satin finish of a chrome. Love the textured-like finish for the top part of the car. Hard plastic here at the bottom, very nice. You have your Burmester speakers right here. You do get your compartment storage right there together with your cup holders or bottle holders right there. Amazing interior that you guys get. You do get the AMG side plates. The other cars have the Mercedes-Benz wording, but in this case got the AMG for the carpet. Amazing red stitching that's happening all over the seats, man, dude. You get what I mean? Love the Artico finish, DINAMICA kind of thing going on. Love the leather. Love the red stitching once again. Amazing red seat belts that you guys get as well. So very, very cool. Now let's jump right in to show you guys how amazing the interior looks. Now, let's turn on some lights to have a little bit of light. Okay, cool. So you got some AMG wordings right here for the front dashboard. You got this feeling like textured like lines that you can actually put your hand on and feel. Love the top right here. Speakers right there. This finishing. This finishing is also in this PU finish, I believe, or some sort of like leather finish. Very nice. Compartment storage down here. Very nice indeed. Air vents right there. Burmester speakers right there. Very cool. This is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seats. Now, Red seat belts, man. Fantastic. Take a look. Side right here, very cool. And amazing screen. I love this very thin screen that goes from left to right, sorry, center to the right side. Very, very nice. Now we'll talk about this once we're at the driver's side, but let's get right down. Check out the rear doors. Let's open this up and hop right in. Now, I've not adjusted the front seats, but let's just hop right in to show it to you guys. But in the meantime, handles right here, window adjustments right there, speaker for the Burmester goes right there, and also down here, compartment storage down here. Love the handles, you pull to close the door. Very nice texture, cool, man. Red seat belts, and let's jump right in to the center seat. We will jump in later, but nevertheless, let's take a look at what we guys are looking at. Check this out. Amazing interior, man, dude, for the back. Okay, red seat belts. Let's get down right here. Red seat belts right here. This is me sitting comfortably right at the back without adjusting the front passenger seats. I didn't even adjust it yet, and I'm already sitting comfortably. So cool. You do get your Type-C socket at the bottom right here. One right here. Love the air vents. Very simple, straightforward. This is all-wheel drive, so of course the shaft goes right in the center. Very, very cool like design. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Seat belts for the center seat are in black, not in red, which is designed just nice. Let's pull this down. Let's get some light in the car. You guys can see. So cup holders are located right here. Very cool. Can rest my elbow. Push that back up. Let's get right down. Once again, you do get your red seat belts over here as well. Very cool. Now talk about the rear wheels, man. So you do get the tire size 235/35 R19. You got your AMG, embossed finishing on the wheel. Very, very cool. Love the AMG wording on the rear brake calipers as well. Your drill disc brakes happening all over the place. Love the two-tone finish with the silver on the inside, silver on the outside, black on the inside. Love the multi-spoke finish wheel, man. Sorry, it's considered a 5-spoke wheel, double 5-spoke wheel kind of a thing, because there's 2 in 1. Yeah, very cool. Pirelli P0 tires, very nice. Now, take a look at the rear boot. Before we open that up, let's talk about the design. So you do get some AMG wording right here for the left side. Tail lights located right there. You do get this mountain grey rear spoiler. You see what I mean? How it's angled up like that. Very, very cool, man. This is kind of a big spoiler, man. Amazing indeed. Mercedes-Benz chrome-like design badging, A35 wording on the right side. You got your number plate that goes right here. Very cool. So the bottom diffuser is in this gloss black finish. You do get the aggressive looking rear diffuser, very nice. 2 exhaust tailpipes in this chrome-like finish, as you can see from the bottom perhaps, maybe. Right there, very nice. Now you got your reflectors right here for the rear bumper, sensors located all over the place, so very nice indeed. Tail lights designed in such a way. Love the aggressive finishing bumper with the lines that we have right there, so it does look as sporty as it can actually get. Now let's open up the boot to show you guys. Let's open that up and check out the space that you guys are getting. A lot of space, as you can see. You do get some additional small minor stuff happening down here. Not a place where you can store, but more like, yeah, your tire repair kit, your subwoofer, and also other electronics such as your battery and whatnot located right there. You do get a chance to hook on a net to store some stuff down here. But nevertheless, let's fold down the rear seats to show you guys the space. Let's pull this down. Leave the red seat belts right there. Very nice. Check that out. Amazing. Let's fold this down again. Very, very cool. Amazing. You do get your ISOFIX for the back also as well. Very cool. Of course, wait a minute. Fuel goes right here. Warning triangle goes right up there. Love the space that you guys are getting with a car like this, man. You get what I mean? You see what I mean? A35 sedan. AMG A35, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous finish. Now, let's open up the driver door. Take a look at what you see. Memory seats, you got 3. Seat adjustments, you can adjust it just like what I'm doing right now. Move it to the front and back. Memory seats got 3, right? So opening up the door handles, you got your unlock and lock. You got your window adjustments back and front. Child lock for the rear windows, and also your side mirror adjustments that are happening for this guy right here. So your handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. Compartment storage down here. Together with a cup holder. Right here you got your boot opening, but you cannot close it. You got to go back there and do it. But your Burmester sound system is right here. Very, very nice. Now, again, the red stitching that's on it, very nice indeed. Hard cover plastic, very nice. You do get your AMG side plates, AMG carpet. I love the chrome-like spot pedals that you actually get with a car like this. Once again, the red stitching with this DINAMICA finish. Very, very cool. Now let's jump right inside and take a look at the steering wheel. Now, I love the steering wheel for many reasons. First, I love the spacing in between, right? So you can see your hand right at the back there. Can you see what I mean? Even the side right here. Can you see what I mean? I love the lining, the spacing in between right here. So, very cool. So, AMG right there, because it's a flat bottom steering wheel for a car like this. You do get the settings to control this screen right here. You got your volume up, volume down, your voice over commands and rejecting call and things like that over here. These ones to control this screen, but you also get your cruise control to cancel, resume, set, speed limit, and also the distance between you and the front car. So driving modes you can adjust from this side. That's your driving mode that will happen right here. And these ones are your like suspension stiffness and whatnot. So very, very cool. Let's try and turn it on to have a little bit of life. But in order for us to see these actually light up, we need the car to be started. But we're not going to do that today. So cool, man. You got your air vents adjustments right here. Climate control down here, temperature adjustments and whatnot. Let's push this open. You got your Type-C charging right here. Place to keep your phone. I believe this might have wireless charging. Gotta check that. But nevertheless, 2 cup holders right here. A place to keep some stuff so it doesn't move around when you're accelerating with speed, because this car is fast. Driving modes for you to adjust from here. Your volume up and down together with the camera that you wish to set, because 360 is available. Down here you press 2 Type-C connectivities, compartment storage down here. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the driver seat of the AMG A35, and it's a very, very nice finished looking car. Again, seat belts in red, very, very sporty, man. Love the finishing that you see with this beautiful piece of art. Now let's push this, pull it back, and let's close that. Very, very sporty. Now let's jump right down and turn on the lights. Lights are right here, handbrake is right here. Let's get right down to show you guys what's happening. Take a look at the front lights for a car like this, man, dude. It does look absolutely gorgeous, man. Absolutely gorgeous. So DRLs, 2 lightings right here, both of it lighted up. Amazing headlights that you get multi-beam, so they do come on. High beam should be located on this side right here. Very nice. Very nice front, man, dude. You see what I mean? Absolutely gorgeous, man, for a car like this. Very, very sporty. Now let's jump right to the back and show you guys what's happening at the rear. Check it out. Beautiful. Now let's close this. And check out the rear, man, dude. You get some 2 lining, 1 thick one, 1 thin one. Love the finishing. Okay. So let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how amazing it actually looks. And there we go. So, talk about the back shortly, but look at the front. You get your turn indicators located right here. I like how they're not at the full mirror, they're only at the side. So, for me, I think that's kind of cool. The bottom piece right here for the front lights. The DRLs, the top portion goes into the turn indicator, but the 2 white lights remain still. So, it does look very sporty, man. Love it. The color helps a lot. Side mirrors, very cool. Now check out the rear. Love how you get the signal lights right here. Your brake lights should be up here, and your reverse lights should be somewhere around here. So very, very cool. looking rear. Whew. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Cycle and Carriage, Mutiara Damansara, where you'll be able to locate so many cars that are on display guys. So many, tons of cars happening all over the place. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.